Ngasidagi houdokhre Numit humni chupna pangthok kadouba MANFETE lisingani kungamanga ngasi Manipur Institute of Management Studies na sinduna Manipur University Auditorium Hall da houdokhre thorom masida Manipur University ge Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Singh Manipur University School of Social Science ge dan Professor Mem Chaloi tongba Manipur University ge Dan of Students Welfare Professor CS Ibohol Singh Mushu ge President Nong Thongbam Suresh Singh MANFETE lisingani kungamanga ge Chairman Dr. S Somakanta Singh amadi Manipur University Manipur Institute of Management Studies ki Director Professor N Prabhav Kumar Athoiba mitungnet oina saruk yaki thoramasigi literally event ki oina debate quiz dance and music unflug transitional dance na chingba kya su yauri main event ki oina business idea man hunt man fit queen amadi cosplay yauri amadi sport event oina mobile legend battleground mobile India amadi tongan ba sport kya su yauri Tharmaduga Mari Lena Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Singh na hai kibada Mahiroi Singh na classroom da tamli bot lok sing kya asi ground level da kumthaduna practical oina mayuk naba darkar leiribani chahi khudingi University SC ki department khudingna hen ba academic program kya ama Mahiroi Singh bu mahi luksing hengana naba university na pangthok tuna lakpa kya adu covid na maram oiraga pangthok pa ngamdri amadi ngamdringai asida charak asida Manipur da haujik leiriba irang asina maram oiraga amuk hena pangthokpa ngamdana adu ngasi pangthokliba program asina mahiroi singda natana university sigi oja nan teaching staff singda kanaba pibada natana campus life pu masak machu thokpa amuk oirasanu Manipur gi economy dasu atokpa state ka changdamnabada yamna nemlabasu private sector kaya ama masing hengatlei ngasi Manipur University da pangthokliba program asida private sector gi business kaya na sponsor torakpa si yamna laibak fobani masina mahiroi singa amade business community singi marak ta afaba lambi thamduna Manipur gi economy fanaba chawna mateng oigadori bani business self entrepreneur owning ba condition khrana oiba ngamdaba Inkalakliba naha mahimasingda matik sana hairaba kayagi moromdom lepsaba ngambada platform kaya amasu pangthoknanaba honabasu mathau tai haina phongdorabi
with our sponsors, with our university faculties, with our students and alumni who represented the university and who are doing good business in the state of Manipur and even outside the state. Because once you do that, then MANFETE, the quality and the content of MANFETE also will increase. And giving this opportunity will certainly attract a number of people who are working day and night in order to make a living in the world of business. I'm sure that this 3 days program will be able to give a lot of fun and also good time to a good number of our students. And there is a very, very attractive program all over the state. Even in my family, my children, they're also talking about manhunt. So these are some of the important program which actually has been able to attract, which has been able to impressed upon the younger student community in the state of Manipur.